Good morning everybody, it is 9:30 on Tuesday morning and it's beautiful out except it's only 29. 29 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's looking beautiful. It's just a bit chilly, but the birds are singing. It's supposed to go up to 37 I think. Woohoo, hold on now. I'm just going to do stuff around the house today. Ash is leaving for work in about an hour. Pete's gone already, as you can see. It's a car horn, silly. But yeah, I'm about to dry my hair. But I just wanted to show you how pretty and blue it is. Nice to see the blue skies after being so grey yesterday. Hi troublemaker. Louis having a snooze with his eyes open. No, he's watching me now, but he was snoozing and snoring. Snoozing and snoring, right Lou? That's what you do. Snooze and snore. Hi guys. Oh wow. Just made a sandwich, having a chicken salad sandwich. But I don't want to sit up here today. I was going to clean out that room, but my back is not cooperating. And I don't want to push my luck. My appointment with the doctor is not until next Thursday. A week from Thursday, and see what we can do about this. I know he's going to say pain management, which is fine if they'll half knock me out, because last time they did the needles in my back and they go right into your nerves and they do it to stop the pain, but it's a very painful procedure for me. I'm not scared of needles, but when they're going in my nerve endings, yeah, I jump, and then it takes twice as long to do it and it's very uncomfortable. When they did it to Pete before Christmas, they kind of sedated him, so he didn't really feel it as much. So if that's the plan, then that's what they're going to have to do. But then I heard that this doctor's office doesn't work with this pain management company anymore, so I'll have to see. I'm going to eat my sandwich and take these guys out and just take it from there. So I hope you're all having a brilliant Tuesday so far. So it seems to be warming up a little bit, which is very nice. I have not really left my bedroom. It's been a pretty pain day today, so we've just kind of stayed put. Ash has just gone over to her aunt's house because she's borrowing an air mattress for Cara and Chelsea. They're staying here Thursday night. It's 11:36 and I realised I haven't really done much on the vlog today or spoken to you guys much. I do apologise, and I haven't said goodnight either. Pete just got home about half hour ago. It's been a kind of a weird night in our house. He went from one job to the next, so I haven't seen much of him today. And then Ash didn't get home till after 8, and then we were having some pretty deep conversations, so that was that. Can't record those. So now I'm just getting some laundry put away. I've got another load going, but I'll probably leave that now until the morning. So it's oh, that light is harsh. Bit of a blah mood. It's hot up here. Anyway, so I'm going to leave it this short tonight. Oh, there was something I wanted to tell you though. Oh, Pete this morning, he went to work and then they were going to the airport to take pictures of the private jets that are owned by the company. There was 2 they had to do pictures of today. I said, you want to ask if we can borrow one? I can nip home and see my mum. But I think one of them was leaving for China today or tomorrow, and I don't know where the other one was going, but Pete and one of the other guys from the studio had to go over and shoot. There's some insides. I'm like, yeah, that'll do nicely. So maybe he wants an air hostess. I always wanted to be an air hostess when I was a kid. You know when people say, what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be an air hostess so I can travel the country, the world. But I didn't become one at all. Anyway, that's that. I'm going to love and leave you for tonight. I hope everybody had a brilliant Tuesday, whatever you guys did today. I hope it was a good one, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night, guys. Okay, it is 7:45 on Monday morning, April 4th. Happy Monday, everybody. Getting a little bit of snow to start our day off. Big, fluffy